Alright, hey guys, just Vince here. I just wanted to do a review on, a taste test. Taste test on, Allmax Sports Allmax chocolate. So yeah, hold on, I'm gonna show it in the camera. Allmax Sports Allmax. Alright, so yeah, there we go. And it's the chocolate flavor. Alright, so just need to, and and it's funny because I had a 10-pound bucket here of a 10-pound bucket here of muscle juice, cookies and cream, but it's empty. So I filled it up with this chocolate Allmax. Yeah. All right. There we go. All right. So yeah, I just filled my shaker cup with some water here, about 3/4 full, and I'm gonna there we go. Okay, that's about a full heaping scoop of well, I mean, this is a big scoop, but a big scoop of chocolate Allmax. And here we go. There we go. Whoops, I'm dropping some everywhere. That's seems like a good amount. Alright. I'm gonna screw the top on. And there we go. Close the spout. And yeah, mix this. Let's see how good it mixes. Whoa, what is it? What is there? Water spring. There you go. Wow, man, it seems to mix well. I don't see any chunks. That's awesome. Yeah. Go. I'm just making sure that it mixes well. I really don't like chunks. Ooh. So yeah, that's what it looks like inside. Like I filled it up, and oh. Honestly, it smells like Nesquik. So take from it what you will, but it smells and tastes delicious, or it smells delicious. Hopefully, it's gonna taste delicious. I used to have a gainer called Quick Mass by Allmax Nutrition as well. So yeah, we'll see. Alright, putting this on the ground. Alright, so I'm just gonna see. I mixed it a little bit, and let's see. Doesn't I'll mix it a little bit more, but seems to have a little bit of floaty bits at the top. I mean, it's like it's a mash shake, so, or kind of like a gainer, but like, I mean, I only put one scoop in here, but it's and that scoop's huge. Alright. So, I'm gonna try it. Alright, cheers. I mean, okay. So, here's my honest opinion. If you're gonna put scoops of it in your drink, if you're doing it with water, or probably tastes creamier if you're doing it with milk or lactose-free milk or whatever it is that you're using, or almond milk, be creamier. But like with this one scoop, it's like watered down. So I mean, hold up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put alright, I'm gonna put a second scoop. Why not? There we go. There we go, there's a second scoop. And hopefully, with this second scoop, it's gonna taste better. And I'm gonna let you know. Alright, so putting the bucket back down. So yeah, I think this is what it probably needs, is 2 scoops. 2 scoops, sorry, I'm making a mess here. Alright, we're just mixing it up. Oh, it looks a lot darker. Yeah, I think the 2 scoops is gonna do it. It's gonna be really good. There we go. Alright. So, yeah. There we go. Oh, it looks creamier. If that makes sense. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's better. It's better with 2 scoops. Yeah. It's like creamier. It tastes more like chocolate. Doesn't taste watered down with 2 scoops. Has a good flavor. It doesn't have a crappy aftertaste. So yeah, like, no, it tastes actually really good. Yeah, there's no weird flavor to it, which is awesome, because it's a protein, but I'm assuming there's a good amount of sugars. But let's see. Sugars. Okay, they're saying by per 1 scoop per 5 scoops. So yeah, per 1 scoop there's 4 grams of sugar. So I just put 8 grams of sugar in. Well, there's 8 grams of sugar in 2 scoops. So It tastes just fine to me. I'll be really loving this. This tastes delicious. 2 scoops is the way to go. One scoop tastes too watered down, so there we go, guys. That was my chocolate Allmax from Allmax Sports, Allmax Nutrition, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Ciao for now.